It's the end of a nauseating era. Johnny Knoxville, Steve-O, and the rest of the gang are back for one more round of outrageous stunts in Jackass, Best and Last, in theaters June 26, which they have announced is the final movie in the franchise they began on MTV in 2000. Driving into work on the last day of shooting, it really hit me, says Knoxville, 55. And when it came time to wrap the final scene, he lost it. Usually, the assistant director says, "All right, that's a wrap," Knoxville says. But they handed me the megaphone and let me say that, and I just started weeping. As usual, Best and Last, the fifth Jackass film and follow-up to 2022's Jackass Forever, strings together a series of over-the-top stunts and pranks, though this installment falls somewhere in between a sequel and a clip show. Roughly half its runtime consists of new stunts and the other half is archival material, including the best bits from earlier movies and older ones that never made it onto the show. So, after almost 26 years, why end Jackass? It really boils down to Knoxville not being able to stand in front of bulls anymore, longtime cast member Steve-O, 52, says. It's almost that simple. The turning point was a gnarly stunt on Jackass Forever when Knoxville was struck by a bull and suffered a concussion. It was a pretty intense injury which took 6-7 months to recover from, Knoxville says, and it led to a brain hemorrhage and cognitive decline. "I don't want to go through that again, nor put my family through that again," he says, though ending the franchise was still a difficult decision. "I can't do the larger stunts anymore, and I'm still reconciling that. For the large part, that's okay. I've done enough. But part of me is still having trouble with that. It's like putting to rest a side of you. It was time, but it's tough." In Best and Last, Knoxville largely takes a back seat and allows others to handle most of the new stunts, often serving as more of a master of ceremonies. After years of putting himself on the line, he found it challenging. "I felt like half of me in this film and I didn't like it," he says. "It's tough to sit back and host while everyone else is having fun." With Knoxville stepping back, Steve-O came into the final movie ready to be gnarlier than ever, and he doesn't disappoint. His new stunts in Best and Last include a disgusting game involving laxatives that had him violently barfing, as well as a bit where he gets a prostate exam from a robot. Both gave him a chance to preach about prioritizing prostate health and colonoscopies, a potentially life-saving message for fans who have grown up with the franchise. "It's such a great opportunity to frame this art in the context of middle age," he says. "We're at an age where cancer screening is so important." While filming, Steve-O says, he didn't have the ability to really feel sad about it being the end because I'm so grateful that we got to do it at all. Plus, he already thought Jackass Forever would be the last movie, so this one was an unexpected bonus. But the significance of that final day on set, which was also the last scene in the film, wasn't lost on him. That day had a heaviness, he remembers. There were a lot of tears. There were a lot of hugs. There was a lot of gratitude. The older footage featured in Best and Last includes previously cut bits considered too reckless to show back in the day, including a shocking scene of Knoxville shooting himself in the chest with a real gun while wearing a bulletproof vest. A version of the stunt in which he tested self-defense equipment on himself appeared in the first episode of the MTV show. "I didn't realize I had just changed my life," Knoxville says, noting there's a part in the footage when you can see him realize he was onto something with the idea that led to Jackass. "That moment touches me." Jasper, Dark Shark, Rachel Wolfson, Sean Poopies McInerney, Zach Holmes, Johnny Knoxville, Preston Lacey, Danger Aaron, Steve-O, Chris Pontius, Wee Man, Dave England in Jackass, Best and Last. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe for more updates. Thanks for watching.